In this class we will see how to create templates by scanning profiles using the command swept boss/base. We will also learn how to create solids through transition between profiles, with the command Lofted Boss/base. In both cases, we need at least 2 sketches or faces that we can use in the selection. These commands are very important as they make it possible to create complex geometries easily. Let's get started. We will first look at how to use the loft command, which allows you to create transition between profiles, for example, from a circular profile to a rectangular profile. To follow up, open the file shown, available in the files of this class. See that we have 2 sketches created, and in order to create the second sketch, it was necessary to create a plan. To create a plan, we use the plane tool, which can be found in the Insert, Reference Geometry, Plane menu. We select an existing plan as a reference, inform the distance, confirm, and the new work plan is created. To delete the plan, simply select it in the Feature Manager, press Delete and confirm the box shown. Returning to the Loft command, we click on its icon in the Command Manager, activating it. In the first checkbox, we select the 2 sketches and note that the preview is shown. If there are several sketches, these should always be selected in the transition order. We can also use guide curves to define more elaborate contours. Look at the 2 green dots and see that we can move them. But beware, if the preview is no longer shown, the geometry change is invalid and cannot be applied. We've confirmed the command and look at the solid created. Using the other available file, see that we also have 2 sketches and we will apply the sweep command. In this case, the 2 sketches must always intercept each other. We activated the command and note the 2 checkboxes and the images displayed next to each one. In the first we must select the profile and in the second the path through which this profile will be extended, note the preview. We confirm the command and have the solid created quickly and easily. We have seen in this class basic applications of the sweep and loft commands, which are very useful for the development of geometries with a greater degree of complexity.